Hi guys, my name is Sam Cheney and welcome to this video where I'm going to explain to you the batch process and the trend analysis tools in Geomagic Control X. So to use the batch process tools, simply open up an existing inspection file if you don't know how to create an inspection file with an alignment and different groups and different screenshots showing these inspection entities. Check out some of our other videos. But once you've got that open, you can come to the automation tab, and if you have multiple parts like this that you need to inspect, you can use the batch process. You can find the batch process in the automation tab in the batch process command line. You then add your files, and here I'm just going to add the meshes. So I'm going to add 3, and these are all STLs, but you can add other different supported files as well. I'm going to open that up, specify that I want an XML file as well as a PDF inspection report. Now the XML file is really important for the trend analysis that we're going to do later. So if you want to do that, make sure you select XML as an export option as well. Hit OK and this will start the batch process. What you're seeing here is Control X working semi-autonomously. Once I've set that up, it's going to import the first scan file that I've selected. It's going to then generate all of the report, so all of the alignments and the 3D comparison and all of the different dimensions I've taken in our different groups are all going to be reported, then collated into an inspection report, and then the PDF and XML deliverables are going to be saved into the specified folder that you've set up. And there we go. We've finished our batch process. And if I open up my folder here, you can see that we have some of these reports. I can open one up and just verify that everything looks correct. Now, with those XML files, if we want to create an analysis and look about how our tolerances, how our dimensions on sequential parts has changed, we can run a trend analysis. This can be found in the menu and then tools and report tools. We then click on the trend report and this will open up the trend report manager. We then import those XML source reports. So I can select, if I change sort by name, actually sort by date, and then I can select 3 that we've selected, open them up. And these are our source reports, and when we want to create our trend report, we hit generate. And it will generate our trend report. So it'll analyze the data from each individual source report and plot it in a trend report so we can look at that information. And here we go. Got all of our different scans and meshes and CADs that we need to review. And then we get into our alignments. And if I just skip down a little bit to some of the physical dimensions. There we go. So we've got our linear dimension 1. We can see our upper and lower tolerance band. And we can see the result from scan 1, scan 2, and scan 3. And we can see how that trend has changed over time. We also have some useful statistic information over here as well. And that is how you create a trend report in Geomagic Control X. I hope this has been useful. Thanks. See you next time.